What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a frontal quick weave. I will be showing you guys how I do this style using nothing but glue and also this little bonus clip of with this turban. So let's go ahead and get into it. This hair I received from Sowigs. It comes with a little pamphlet, let you know how to care for the hair, as well as you can receive 10% off. Just click the link down below to learn more. It also came with some lashes and a frontal. This is 18 inches, and look at that luster. It looks so good, and it also has been pre-plucked, even though your girl went in on their hairline some more. So these are the bundles. They look really good. They're jet black, soft, nice luster, thick, the whole nine. So I'm starting off with some old dusty cornrows, and I'm going to go ahead and put on this tan stocking cap, making sure I cup it up underneath my ear and cut a little ear part out, so that my tab won't keep coming up, the little ear tabs. And I seen Gonzi I had to leave her channel down below, but I'm going to apply my got to be glued freeze spray and just doing it in small sections, because other than that it will like run all over the place. So just putting it on and smearing that in with my hand and then let it dry, and it took about maybe a good 15 minutes for it to get dry all around. And then I cut my two ear pieces, and then I go around and cut the rest of the cap off. And I don't do it in the back because I'm not gluing my wig in the back and it just stays down. And I'm using my favorite product, Ghost Bond, and this time I'm going to try to apply it with a makeup brush, which I love applying it like that. So I end up doing 2 layers. I'm doing make sure I'm smoothing it in so that it can dry clear. So like this, that's 1 layer. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another layer, and I just started to like add the product to my brush and then brush it onto my hairline like that. And of course, let that dry clear, and then I'll go ahead and put it on my frontal. Lately, I've been making sure I put clips on my frontal before I apply it. It makes it easier. You don't have to worry about any flyaways. So that's what I'm doing here. Go ahead and put that on. Y'all, my mirror is like so far away, so I'm just trying to see what I'm doing and I really can't see. So I'm putting that on there, and then I went and fixed it like off camera. But that's pretty much how I did it there. And then after that, take the clips off and just smooth that in with a rectangle comb, because that way you're going to be able to get it like seamless. So then I cut my earpieces so that, I won't have the hair all over my ear. Cut that part out. You definitely want to do that because most of the time the frontal is too big. And then we'll go ahead and flip that back so that we can add the hair glue. Or if you wanted to, you could definitely sew it down, but I just used the hair glue. And just push that in, and then I'll go ahead and add a scarf so that it can dry. Because at this point I didn't have a blow dryer, so I just left it. And then I'm just going to pull it back and add some setting lotion so that I can kind of get everything nice and laid. And then, y'all, I was ready to finish my hair, but I didn't have a blow dryer, and then plus I'm out of town, and I was ready to go somewhere. So all I'm going to do is like kind of fix my baby hairs. Yeah, the back of my neck is like a hot mess, but that's besides the point. It's always like that. So cutting the baby hairs, and then I go ahead and fix them with this setting lotion. Just smooth them around. That's all I'm doing. And they just turned out good. I guess, yeah. I'm getting better with these frontals, y'all. I've been doing it for a minute, but now I'm like the bomb. So that's what I'm doing here. And like I said, I was ready to go out. So as you can see, I still haven't done the back, but I'm just going to go ahead and add some more setting lotion to pull it back so I won't have any flyaways. And then I'll go ahead and take this t-shirt that's like an old t-shirt that's been cut up. So I just put that on my head like this. And then I twisted it around to make like a little turban looking top scarf like that. So that's how I wore it out, and it was like really, really cute. And then the fact that it was this blue, baby, it was like lit. It looked so good like that. And y'all, I actually didn't do my hair for like another 3 days being lazy, and plus it was so cute. So take a frontal, put that on there, and then put on a shirt, and bam, you got you a little style for the week. So 3 days later, this is what it looks like. Y'all, I did my baby hair I don't know how many times trying to fix it. The little scarf then came up in the back, but we already fixed that. So pin the frontal back up, and I'm taking this. It's pretty much like Morning Glory. It's some glue protector. It says protector shield, and that's just going to protect your hair from the glue. And like I said, I'm out of town, so I don't have like all my stuff I usually use. And there I usually use a brush, but I'm just using my fingers, blow dry it till it's dry, and then go ahead and apply my tracks. So yeah, just put your tracks on there like you usually do and blow dry it. But what I've learned is like go ahead and put your glue on there and then kind of blow dry your track a little bit and then apply it to your head. I only blow dried it for like 5-7 seconds, and y'all, it really, really make a difference. I seen this girl do it on Instagram. Not sure her name, but she did it on Instagram, and y'all, like, it was really on my head. I had it in for like 4 days, and it wasn't going to budge. Like, it was not time for me to take it out, but I still took it out. So yeah, and I kind of put that track up a little too high, but you know, I can't see, you don't have a mirror, but that's all the space I got left. And then you want to make sure you take your tracks all the way up to the top of your frontal. So then we're going to wrap it on up. Go ahead and pull that back down, and I'm just going to take my hot comb and take some hair to put over the track so you can't see it. I do that all across from ear to ear, like so. And look at that frontal looking good, y'all. It looks so good. I did bleach my knots too, and I pre-plucked it, so yeah. And plus this hair is really, really nice. It has like a really nice luster to it. And like I said, I wore the frontal almost a week, and I hit the bundles in for about 4 days in the back, and it was like so nice. I could just run my fingers through it. It was cool. So that's all I'm doing is just fixing my hair. You know, you guys have seen this numerous times on my channel. I'm just trying to define my part with my hot comb, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it to get like an even cut. I was trying to go for a long bob, but I ended up like cutting it uneven. Had to keep on cutting it to make it even, so it's like kind of shorter. But that's how it looks. It looked cute too, like kind of curled. But then I end up straightening it, and I'm using some my Got To Be glue spray, putting that on so I can kind of like pull my edges back, because I've really been feeling that middle part with like the hairline pushed back. The bomb. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think about this. This is really easy because I know some of you guys don't like to wear wigs all the time, but this is another alternative, and all you gotta do is get in the shower, wash it out, use some conditioner. It's gonna slide right off your head. So definitely let me know what you think about this. Click the link down below. Check out the hair. I love you guys. Bye.